When using the coping saw, it's very important to ensure that you're using the boxing stance as previously talked about in the previous video. It is also important to use the same grip with the two hands to ensure you have good control and balance over the tool. This provides good accuracy and precision throughout your piece, ensuring that you have good control over both the tool and also yourself with the use of the boxing stance. Here we're going to create a curve with the coping saw. Because the blade is so small, it is used to create curves so it can get in around the small little areas compared to a tenon saw. This is why the coping saw blade is so small, to ensure it creates a good accurate curve as long as you use it correctly. As you can see, I placed the piece in the vise at an angle so you can begin to create the cut as accurate as possible. When using, ensure that you're using the boxing stance and also ensure that you're using two hands on the handle to provide good accuracy and precision throughout your cutting. As you can see, I'm using the full length of the coping saw blade to ensure that I'm removing all waste in which is being created and all the sawdust is being removed. It's also important to ensure that you have your blade parallel to the bench to ensure you have a good, accurate, precise cut all the way across your piece. If you don't have the blade parallel to the bench or the vise, your cut will be inaccurate and also off your marking line. This can cause serious problem as you continue out your design process in which you may be using the coping software. It's very important to ensure that you're looking on both sides of the piece to ensure that you're accurate with your line. This creates precision and accuracy through your own processing. As you can see, you're taking your time with the blade to ensure you're good and accurate with your cut and using the full length of the saw. How do you remove the blade from the material if you want to take it out? You're going to create the same motion as you were when you were sawing, but start to move the blade out of the piece. This is to prevent the blade from getting jammed in your piece of material or getting stuck, which could cause the blade to break and cause problems throughout your processing. So